If you're looking to use Salesflare for networking and you want to quickly understand how it can work for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage this powerful CRM tool to supercharge your networking game. First, let's dive into why Salesflare is the perfect solution for professional networking. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM that automates a lot of the tedious tasks associated with managing relationships. It helps you keep track of your contacts and follow up with them efficiently, ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to building meaningful connections. So, how does it actually work? Well, Salesflare helps you build a complete contact database automatically. Whenever you add a new contact, the system pulls in information from your email, social media, and even company websites, allowing you to know your contacts better and faster than ever. This feature is especially useful when you're networking, as it gives you all the data you need to personalize your outreach. You can instantly see what's been shared, which meetings you've had, and any ongoing conversations, all in one place. Another key feature is its integration with your calendar and email. With Salesflare, your next move is always right in front of you. You can automatically schedule follow-ups based on email interactions, giving you a hands-off approach to staying in touch. The software even suggests the best time to follow up based on past engagement patterns. This is a huge time saver when you're juggling multiple connections across different events, especially if you're growing your network quickly. And here's where it gets interesting for networking. Salesflare helps you categorize and segment your contacts. You can create custom tags and labels for different groups, such as prospects, mentors, clients, or event attendees. This allows you to nurture relationships in a more personalized way. Let's say you met someone at a conference. You can tag them appropriately and set up follow-up reminders for a few weeks later, making sure you stay top of mind without seeming pushy. One feature I absolutely love is its automated activity tracking. With Salesflare, you don't have to manually log every email or phone call. It automatically tracks emails, meetings, and interactions, meaning you can focus on building those relationships rather than organizing your data. All this info is available in real time, giving you up-to-date insights into where each contact stands in your network. Now, one of the most powerful aspects of Salesflare is its ability to analyze your interactions and provide actionable insights. The software gives you a snapshot of your networking activity, such as how often you're in touch with each person and what type of content they engage with most. This is crucial when you're trying to figure out the best way to approach each contact and understand where to focus your energy. For those of you looking for a truly hands-off networking experience, Salesflare integrates seamlessly with other apps like LinkedIn, Gmail, and even your social media. This means that all your communication channels are synced up, giving you one cohesive platform to monitor and manage your network. And the best part? You can start using Salesflare for completely free with the link below. Plus, when you sign up through this link, you'll get an extended free trial, giving you full access to all the features and a better chance to test how this software can improve your networking. In summary, Salesflare makes networking more efficient and less stressful by automating your contact management, streamlining follow-ups, and giving you deep insights into your relationships. If you're serious about growing your network and managing it like a pro, Salesflare is a must-have tool. Don't forget to check the link below to get started with an exclusive free trial.